We've always been known as a premium brand, which to me is high quality. We want performance, durability. That's essentially what our customers expect from us.
Bernard and Tregaskiss are OEM manufacturers. We have a high degree of specifications that our products have to meet every time. Probably aren't going to see that with some of the knockoff non-OEM products out in the field.
Buying genuine means that you're getting the real article designed by us and made by us.
I'm not going to choose a lesser material because I need to meet that performance that I expect every single time I strike an arc.
If you buy an OEM product, you may pay a little more upfront, but generally speaking, they're going to last longer and create less problems for you down the road that you have to solve and spend your own time and money to investigate, troubleshoot.
In our consumable department, we have what we call quality operating procedures. So not only are we checking it at the end, but we're checking it throughout the entire manufacturing process.
Some of the features and benefits from Bernard and Tregaskiss products, like longer tip life, better wire feedability, translates into better quality welds, keeps your welders welding longer.
You're not only getting the quality that's in the product, you're also getting the support and knowledge of our team.
We have an extensive tech services team that will come out, visit customers, help troubleshoot issues that may arise.
We want you to have the best experience you can have with the product for the job that you're trying to achieve.
We're building a relationship, and when those relationships are established, that helps us create better products for you and for your customers.